folks, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Josh from Maitri Multimedia, and today we're going to learn how to prepare, marinate, and cook a delicious tofu recipe. So let's get started. So first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to drain and press your tofu. You want to do that for about 15 minutes. I've already done that, and then the next step is you're going to want to cut it into whatever size pieces you like. Personally, I like small, like bite-sized cubes. So I got those there, and I've also done the next step, which is to freeze this for about 4 hours or overnight. I did it overnight, and now that's ready for it to be marinated, and then I will let it defrost and marinate at the same time, and then it'll be ready to cook after that. So, all right, for the marinade, get your handy-dandy measuring cup. You're gonna want to start off with some pineapple juice. Right, and then some soy sauce, and then you can use like brown sugar or syrup of some sort. I like agave syrup. It's pretty much handy in everything. We're gonna do a teaspoon of black pepper. I like a kick, so we're gonna do about a tablespoon of crushed red pepper flakes. Grab a fork, stir that up. You can also add things like ginger or garlic powder, like I'm actually going to add right now at this step. Didn't have any ginger, so we're kind of skipping that for today. And so that's fine. We'll do that. Boom. All right, cool. Get that nice stir. All right. Then take that and then just kind of get it all in there. Boom. And that is about the perfect amount. Cool. Put your lid on there. Now you're going to put that in the fridge pretty much for the rest of the day. You can do it for up to a day or two. After that, you pretty much want to take it out and cook it. But you can let it marinate for as long as you like or as little as you like. I like very flavorful, so we're going to go for pretty much at least the rest of the day, if not a little longer. So I'll see you guys when this is ready to go, and hope you have a good afternoon. I'll see you in a few. Bye. All right, let's try this again. So my first attempt at tofu failed. I was defeated by a gelatinous cube. So, you you move on. You don't just get defeated by a gelatinous cube and take that defeat, man. You try again. So I marinated it again. I pressed it really good. I did not freeze it this time, just because I have time constraints. But got the pan ready, looking good, and we're gonna dump it in and see what we can do. All right, so there it is. Nice, delicious, spicy teriyaki tofu. Took me 2 tries, but sometimes that's what it takes. Probably could have taken more. I will probably continue to refine this recipe. And yeah, truth be told, I actually took about 3 pieces out. You saw it there in the middle, and I put those in the air fryer. And I kind of liked the texture of the air fryer a little bit better, but that's because I just love everything that the air fryer does. So maybe I'll do some air fryer recipes coming up. All right, stay safe out there, everybody. Eat healthy, and I'll see you soon. Bye.